Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to replace the heating chamber on your Vapman. It's only working for the Vapman 2.0 or the old Vapman Pure or Vapman Basic. So first of all, we need to unscrew these 3 screws. For this I will remove the middle piece. Okay. So now your heating chamber already falls out and we can remove it. Make sure to take the 3 little placeholders apart. We call them Briden, because we need them with the new screws. So then you can introduce all the little Briden in the new screws. And now we are ready for reassembling. So place the new heating chamber like the old one on the right side of the hole. So like this. And then you can step by step reassemble the screws. First, maybe just put them a little bit inside. Place the silver placeholder on the cutout, because there's a little cutout on the air tubes, and on this cutout you need to place the silver placeholder or Bride, like we call it. And then you can not fix it too much, the first one, just fix it that it holds. Then we go to the second one, same story. As the door closed, you can check again, and if the air tubes are if the little aluminium parts are in the right positions on the air tubes, and if not, if they are too far outside, you can press them now, as we are not closed completely, with the screwdriver inside their gap. Vice versa, if they are too far outside, you can press a little on the outside here to make them enter in the right place. And if they are like this, all in the right place, we can close them completely. And the little trick, if you heat them up just for 2 seconds, they close even further, so they are perfectly closed then. We also do this on each Vapman that we ship out. Just heat it up, and then you can turn another 2 twists. Okay, so that is how your heating chamber can be installed. It's very easy, and yeah, if you want to replace the heating chamber because it's dirty, of heavy concentrate use, or any other problem that might be, just treat yourself with this replacement kit and you can enjoy a shiny Vapman again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, as always, let us know in the comments. See you next time.